Hello, welcome to Frankfurt, welcome to ABB. I'm David Villa. Nowadays, everything is connected. You can do practically anything on your phone. So why is emergency lighting still so disconnected? ABB introduces Naveo Pro. With the Naveo Pro app, you maintain and fully control your emergency lighting installation in real time, when and where you want. It links your emergency lighting to a secure gateway that is connected to the cloud. You simply scan the QR code, mark the location in your app, and instantly get one overview of all luminaires in your building. You can even manage several buildings at once, totally remotely. If something fails, you get a notification and directly see what's the matter. The app even informs you what is the best to replace a component before there is an issue. Simply order the parts, fix it, and you are done. You even get the certificate to prove it, print reports in PDF, and send them to your facility manager or customers. Now you can focus on the next job.